From a warm, cozy place I look back, how my elders, teachers and peers tried the game of blame to shame me onto their track. Grandma knew the right stuff. There will be no more candy for you, no more affection, till you conform to our scheme of love. Smile nicely, dress white, grey and blue. We have all the fake, shallow answers for you. But I like yellow and black, I will not take it back. I like yellow and black, yellow and black. Play nice and smile for the cam, and have a lot of fun. To all them I reply, I'm a Capricorn, we don't have fun. I did not like the way they accused me. You are too sarcastic, too dark, too cynical and too hard. But I need a bit of bitter to enthuse me. Repeat not too much, thinking of your own. Be a mellow fellow, agreeable drone. But I like yellow and black, I never joined the pack. I like confidence and fear. Yellow and black, yellow and black. I do not take it back. Raven and sun, yellow and black. Frank Zappa, Warren Zevon, Hunter Thompson, Philip Dick, they all were dark and bright. They figured out without some black, there ain't no seeing the light. I like yellow and black, sometimes even enjoy the flack. Onyx and gold, yellow and black, yellow and black. I never joined the pack, I like confidence and fear. Yellow and black.